this video, I will talk about preparation of balanced question paper in mathematics. So first of all, what is balanced question paper? A balanced question paper is a question paper that is carefully designed to cover all the important topic of the syllabus fairly. It includes a variety of question type that is short, long, objective, analytical, etc. It maintains a proper mix of easy, moderate and difficult questions. It distributes marks appropriately according to the importance of the topic and assess different skills like knowledge, understanding, application and critical thinking. In simple words, a balanced question paper is a paper gives every student a fair chance to show what they have learned, whether they are good at remembering facts, understanding concepts, solving problems or thinking critically. Now I am going to discuss the characteristics of a balanced question paper. A balanced question paper has several key characteristics to ensure fair assessment of students' knowledge, skill and understanding. The first key characteristic is content coverage. The balanced question paper must cover all key topic and units as per syllabus and weightage. Avoids overemphasis or neglect of any topic. Second one is variety of question types. It includes MCQs, short answer, long answer and application based questions. Assess cognitive skill from Bloom's taxonomy, that is remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating and creating. The third one is difficulty level balance. It balance mix, that is 20% easy, 60% moderate and 20% difficult. Balanced questions cater to a range of student abilities. The marks must be allotted based on question importance and length. The total marks reflect paper's intended challenge level. Clarity and precision. The questions are clear and unambiguous, and the language is age appropriate and understandable, objective and unbiased. Balanced question paper is free from gender, cultural, religious or regional biases. It focuses on academic knowledge, not personal content. Balanced question paper encourages critical thinking, problem solving and creativity skill. It goes beyond testing rote memorization. Time management. It is designed for completion within given time frame. Sections are appropriately paced and sized. Logical sequence. Questions ordered from simple to complex, clear sectioning and well stated instructions. Finally, alignment with learning outcome. Each question maps to specific learning objectives and ensures assessment of intended competencies. Now here I am going to prepare the sample balanced question paper for class 9 mathematics, and it has been carefully designed to reflect the latest class 9 curriculum and assessment structure. It integrates a systematic distribution of questions across all chapters while aligning with Bloom's revised taxonomy to promote a range of cognitive skills from remembering to creating, that is higher order thinking skills. The question paper balances different question types, that is MCQ, very short answer type and long answer, that is essay type. And the difficulty level is easy, moderate and hard questions as per CBSE guidelines, that is 60-20-20 distribution. Third one is objective coverage, that is ensuring remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating and creating are all appropriately assessed. Full syllabus coverage, including topics from number system to probability, giving due weightage to each chapter. Here the weightage of objective remembering is given 15%, understanding is 25%, applying is given highest, that is 30%, analyzing is 10%, evaluating 10% and finally creating 10%. Here I have tried to give 12 questions from remembering, 13 from understanding, 26 from applying, 4 from analyzing, 6 from evaluating and 5 from creating. Total 66 questions. Here 20% marks is allotted for multiple choice question, 30% marks is allotted for very short answer type, 40% marks is allotted for short answer type and 10% marks is allotted for essay type questions. Here I have given 18 MCQ, 27 very short answer type, 18 short answer type and 3 essay type questions. Now this is the difficulty level table. Here 60% questions is from easy, 20% from moderate and 20% is hard question. Here I have given 49 easy question, 9 moderate question and 8 hard questions. Now this is the complete blueprint. And this is the chapter wise blueprint from the chapter number system to probability. Here I have chosen 13 chapter from class 9 syllabus. And this is the question paper according to the blueprint. Here time allotted for this paper is 3 hours, maximum marks 90, general instructions. All questions are compulsory. Marks are indicated against each question. Use suitable method and step in answers. Here is the section A multiple choice question, total 18 marks and each question carries 1 mark. Here see that question number 5 is value of sin 90 degree is A 0, B 1, C root 3 by 2 and D 1 by 2. This question is MCQ remembering an easy type. And here is the remaining 10 question from section A, that is MCQ questions. Now this is section B, that is very short answer type questions. Here I have given total 27 questions and each question carries 1 mark. Here the question number 26 is write the coordinate of the point -2, 3. This is very short answer type, understanding level and easy. These are the next question from section B. And these are the last question from section B. Now here is section C, that is short answer type question. Here I have given total 18 question and each question carries 2 marks. And these are next questions from section C. And finally section D is essay type questions. Here I have given total 3 essay type question. Each question carries 3 marks. Before finalization of the question paper, the teacher must review the question paper and cross-check answer keys, content coverage, weightage, variety of skills tested, clarity, fairness and neutrality, that is no bias. Now try to use notebook or keep short notes on textbook or textbook exercise using pen or pencil. This is the first summative sample blueprint for class 8 mathematics, and this is the format of summative evaluation questions. This is the sample blueprint of second summative mathematics question paper, and this one is third summative mathematics question paper blueprint. Full marks is 70. This is the first summative sample mathematics question paper for class 8 student. This one is the second summative mathematics sample question paper for class 8 student. And this is the third summative sample question paper. This is sample mathematics question for class 8 student. Here the full marks is 70. Now try to prepare balanced question paper in mathematics. You can select any class from secondary level. You can also try to prepare balanced question paper in your own method subject, that is Bengali, English, Science, etc. Thank you. Hope this discussion will help you to prepare balanced question paper in your own subject. Thank you and happy learning.